Namaste. Kerala government is facing the criticism from opposition parties for not reducing value-added tax on petroleum products. They say that if state government doesn't reduce the taxes, they will hit the street to protest against state government. CPIM-led Kerala government had been blaming the central government for not reducing the central excise duties on fuel. Chief Minister of Kerala Pinarayi Vijayan and Finance Minister K.N. Balagopal were apportioning the whole blame for the price hike to central government. They forgot that state was also adding their kitty with fuel price increase. After central government slashed excise duty on petrol and diesel, all NDA-ruled state, also Odisha, followed its spirit and reduced state tax on petrol and diesel products. But Kerala government is not still ready to reduce the taxes on petroleum products. Finance Minister of Kerala still blames central government, saying that central government is still pickpocketing the citizens. BJP State President K. Surendran asked the state government to follow the footsteps of the central government and reduce the state taxes on petrol and diesel. If state government doesn't reduce the tax, BJP would organize protest against the state government, Surendran said. Congress Pradesh Committee President K. Sudhakaran welcomed the central government decision and said that they would also organize protest against state government. CPI backed state government decision and the party decided to explain the public why state government is not able to reduce the taxes. But one may ask why this double stand of demanding central government to reduce central tax at the same time not asking the state government to reduce state tax and give relaxation to the public. Web Desk, Thatumai Bharat.